What's up, Recap fam? Welcome back to part 2 of the fabric sale. So, hey, without further ado, we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna jump straight into it. So, here we go.
Alright, so we got 43 fabrics measured and calculated today to order. We put a number with the fabric, so as you're watching the video, as soon as you see a fabric you want, because this went hecka fast last time.
Yes, it did.
As soon as you see a fabric you want, comment that number. Okay, and then when you're done, we need your email address, your zip code, and then say done so that we can start invoicing you. The invoice needs to be paid within 30 minutes once we send it, and we'll let you know once we send it too. And we'll do flat rate shipping, padded flat rates, $8 or eight some change. The medium flat rate is $13.75 and large is like $19.30, I think. And then if you order a lot and we have to weigh it, we'll send that shipping to you exact based on weight. All right, so, and I guess if you're international too, you can just email us at recapturedvalues@yahoo.com and we'll try to get you the best rate for shipping. Okay. So we're gonna start at 43 and go backwards to number 1. So first up is this double brush poly paisley 43. This is 4.5 yards of this double brush poly and it's $38. All right, we have 2 cuts of this. So 42 is this cut. It's a 6-yard cut and it's stripes vertical like this, navy and ivory. It is $50, number 42. So navy and ivory stripe.
Cool.
And then number 41 is a 2-yard cut of the same fabric, $17 for that one. All right, next up is number 40, and that is similar to that mustard, but this is a rust paisley double brush poly, and it's looking kind of red in the camera, but it's more of a rusty color. It's
like a burnt orange.
Yeah, it's rust. Orange. This is kind of orangey.
Okay.
It's rust. 2.5 yards, $22 for this number 40. All right. Then this piece is almost 2 yards. It is a neon pink cheetah print. 39. Number 39, double brush poly, $14 for this cut. All right. Next is a 2-yard, give or take. It's a little bit more than 2 yards. $18 for this one. It's number 38. It's navy. Base with like this cranberry floral. It's really pretty. So that's $18. Next is number 37. This is a peach wildflower Liverpool, and it is almost 2-yard cut of that. All right, then next is this. It's number 36. It's leopard French terry, and we have 4.5 yards of this, and it is $40.50 for this whole cut. Number 35 is leopard Liverpool, and it's 2.5 yards, and it's $20. All right, and then the last one in this stack is number 34, and this is the biggest cut we have. It is almost 9 yards of fabric. Mauve latte French terry, so super cute for some joggers and hoodie sets. $74 for this entire cut. All right, so moving along, number 33 is this, well, if I can grab it, is this boho. It's peach rayon spandex. It's really pretty. It's showing kind of really bright on there. It's not that bright in person, but it's peach, and it has kind of like a mustard color. This is an almost 4-yard cut for $30. Okay, number 32 is cotton candy tie-dye double brush poly. I'm sad to let this one go. I like cotton candy. It's a 5+ yard cut for $42.
Hurry up and buy.
Yeah, before I try to make it into something. Okay, number 31 is a 5-yard cut of Malibu. It's almost neon tie-dye. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It's got a whole bunch of different colors in it. It's not the neon one. It was from Knit Pop. But 5+ yards, and it's $42. This is number 31. And then next is this black and cream abstract double brush poly, number 30. 4+ yards, $36 for this. And then one of my favorites, pink lemonade. It's got orange, yellow, and pink in it. Tie-dye, number 29. 2-yard cut, double brush poly, and $17. Next is this really cute fabric. We have 2 cuts of this. So this is number 29. This is like a boho tribal. Gives me Moana vibes. Rayon spandex. It's almost 4-yard cut, $23 for this. Rayon spandex. It doesn't have insane stretch, so just make sure if you're getting it, you know what you're wanting to make with it. We made crop tops, we made dresses, and it worked perfectly. So that one is the almost 4-yard cut, number 29, and number 28 is a 2.5 yard cut for $15, same fabric. All right, and then next is number 27. It's a snake skin rib knit, and it's almost 3-yard cut for 22 bucks. And then lastly in this stack is number 26. It's rainbow tie-dye double brush poly. It's a 1+ yard cut, and it's $9. All right, let's go down. Next, leopard waffle knit, 1+ yard cut, number 25, $9.50, $9.50. Okay. And then this little guy here is a 1-yard cut, and this is, it looks red on camera, but I promise you it's more like an orangey red. This is more orangey.
It's orange.
This is orange, like reddish plaid, and it's rayon spandex.
I'm getting October vibes from it.
Yes,
man.
so this is number 24, 1-yard cut, $6. It's orangey, reddish, orangey. Or we're gonna call that orangey. Okay, next is mustard rib knit, the heavy rib knit from Knit Pop. 23, number 23, $22 for an almost 3-yard cut. All right, and then this is a 2-yard cut, number 22, rust floral sweater knit, and it's just really pretty. And it's more reddy, rusty too than the camera showing, but $16 for this one, 2-yard cut. All right, and then next is 21, number 21. This says love on it like this, and it's like upside down everywhere and right side up. 4+ yard cut, $35. It's rayon spandex. It does have minimal stretch, but you can make things out of it. I just probably wouldn't use it for neck bands or anything like that because it doesn't have that great of stretch. But it's super cute. And then number 20 is this burgundy corduroy knit. The stripes, let me see, make sure. The stripes are horizontal, the corduroy is horizontal, and it's showing kind of red in there, but it's more burgundy in person. And it's a 2+ yard cut, $18 for that, number 20.
Nice.
And then number 19 is this fall, we call it retro stripe. It is vertical stripes here, and it's double brush poly. It's a 3+ yard cut, and it's $25. Number 18 is similar to the Love fabric, but it says Boss, and it's on this black fabric, and it does have like it does crack if you stretch it too much. This is rayon spandex, the same as Love fabric, minimal stretch. Wouldn't use it for cuffs or anything like that, or bands. 4+ yard cut, $35. And then we have number 17, which is another cut of rainbow double brush poly at 1.5 or 1+ yards. Number 17, $9. And then we have another, number 16, is going to be rayon or rainbow double brush poly, 5-yard cut, $42.50 for this one. So we have 3 different cuts of this, 2 1-yards, and then this one, number 16. Number 15 is a 5-yard cut of this neon yellow double brush poly, $28 for that. Number 14, this is like a black plum and fuchsia tie-dye double brush poly, 3+ yard cut, $26. So that's number 14. Then we have another cut of that for number 13, same fabric, 2-yard cut for $17. All right, last stack. Number 12, neon pink double brush poly. This is a 5+ yard cut for $28. And then we have number 11, which is the black rib knit. This is the heavy rib knit, cotton spandex, 4.5 yards plus a little bit more, and then it's $38. So number 11 is black rib knit. Number 10, we have 2 cuts of this. So number 10 is going to be the 4.5 yard cut. This is, we call it fall tie-dye, but it has burgundy, olive, and mustard. It's double brush poly tie-dye, $38 for this 4.5 yard cut. Number 10. Number 9 is the same fabric, but it is a 1+ yard cut for $8. All right, next is number 8, and it's this rust ivory floral, super cute, 5-yard cut, $42.50 for that one. Number 8. Number 7, we have 2 cuts of this as well. So number 7 is going to be the 5-yard cut, $42.50. This is like a tribal, and it does go vertical here. So number 7 is the 5-yard cut, and then number 6 is going to be the 1.5 yard cut, same fabric. Double brush poly. Then number 5 is this leopard print here, and it is a 3+ yard cut, double brush poly, $24. Number 5. Number 4 is this mesh I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it up for you so you can see it. It's a mesh embroidered fabric here. And it does have like minimal stretch due to the embroidery, but it's super cute. And I just never got around to using it during the holidays because I thought it'd be cute for the holidays, but it would actually be cute for really anything. It's Tropical Paradise embroidered stretch lace. It's a 5-yard cut, never been touched. $40 for that because it was kind of pricey for us. All right, next is number 3. 1.5 yard cut of black floral. This is bullet knit. $13 for this. And number 2 is mauve double brush poly. This is almost a 5-yard cut of this, and it is $40. Number 2. And last but not least is rusty floral. That's what I call it. I don't remember the name of it, but it's rust. It's showing up kind of bright orangey, but it's like the literal definition of rust, like orange rust. And this is a 4-yard cut, and it's $34. So that's all we got for you today. And there will be another part 3. There will be part 3 for everything over there. And we do still have some stuff remaining from our last video, and we have it pinned in the comments, which we'll do the same thing here. We'll pin the list so that you have access to the numbers and the fabrics they are, so you don't have to rewatch the video if you remember what fabric you were looking at. And then if you want to check out part 1, we still have some fabrics left over on that, and they're pinned in the comments what's sold and what's still available. So
and there you have it, Recap fam. 43 fabrics. Make sure y'all come and get it, man, because everything must go. We're not holding it for anybody. So first come, first serve. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. We love you guys. Thanks for buying up all the fabric from round 1 except for a few pieces. So if y'all still want some, go to the first video. And
18 fabrics left.
18 fabrics left. Crazy. That is crazy. So man,
for me because I'm having like, this is sad. These are my babies.
Right. You know, if you like fabric,
take it from me. It's helping me cope. Okay.
Right. So hey, if you love fabric like she does, she don't want to see any of this go. But hey, bigger and better things are coming with Recaptured Values. We thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And hey, we'll see y'all on the next video. Part 3 coming up soon. So,
bye.
Peace.